What's going on, guys? We out here back at that Hollister for another little solo rip today. About to put this Amsoil Screaming fuel inside this baby right now. We're about to head out. Been running Amsoil for a bit now. Really happy with it. Clean, crisp, burning, smelling good. If you guys are trying to run some Amsoil, hit up my buddy. I'll put the link in the description. Check him out. Right on, guys. We'll see you out on the trails. Woo-hoo! What's up? We're back at it. That deer over there still there getting scared, so we're gonna go this way. I'm in his hood. How would you like if somebody ran up in your house and just with a two-stroke and started screaming in your freaking living room while you were watching Supercross or something sick like that, you know, motocross? I'd be like, hell no, get the F out. I've been doing that. Actually, I'd probably be like, shit, that's sick, but quiet down a little bit, man. Trying to get some Supercross action going on here. Anyways, welcome back to the Nick Dog vid. You guys probably already know we're back at Hollister. Solo mission today. You know, you gotta get it in when you can. Whether it's by yourself, with the homies, or hell, you know, even in a hot day like today or a rainy, muddy day, whatever, you just get it in, man. Get the grip action in. So yeah, we're out here ripping. I feel like I say that a lot. Comment in the comment section. Comment down below if you guys think I say that shit a lot. We're out here ripping. I just feel like because I am. I just say it. So we're gonna take a look We got a new tire in the rear. She's hooking Bridgestone MX32 or 30 MX30. Been getting that tire for the past like 3 tires. It's pretty chill tire. Does the job. Lasts pretty good. Well, that was pretty eventful. You see what I'm saying? Shit like that just could happen like this, dude. Oh, and I'm in a poker bush. I hit that fence thing with my bar, you know, scrubbing, getting too low on the turn. You know, sometimes I do that. Oh, got him in my ass. Ah, my hand. Oh man, we went head on into that tree. Elbow hurts. Forearm hurts. Yeah, like I said, there's that new tire. She's pretty cherry, dude. Woo! Woo! Oh damn! Thank God for the bark. Oh! Took out my NFR sticker and my freaking sound test, dude. I was just gonna go to the track too on the 22nd, and last time I failed sound test for what reason I don't know. Now it looks like they're gonna probably be like, hey, you sound test your bike. Shit. Tell you, last time I went to GP track, they made me sound test my bike, and it failed, dude. Packing was blown out, I guess, and she's like, oh, you need to change your packing. Like, what the? Dude, I don't bring packing with me. I'm out here. I come from San Jose. Come out to rip this track. She's like, oh, I don't know. Some people tend to tape off the end of the hole, make it small, and then it'll pass. I'm like, oh, so you're telling me basically I could cheat, but you won't just let me go by. Like, just slap a sticker on this baby. We're out here in the middle of nowhere ripping just a track. Why you have to trip off the sound? So I went and taped it up. Sure enough, it passed. And I was hoping to keep that sticker, but as you can see, yeah, it's still there, but it's gonna rip. Ah, fuck my elbows. You know what? That's exactly where I broke my arm at about a year ago. Hopefully it's strong enough. Freaking hurts a little bit, but not as bad as it did that day. So let's continue to rip. I see a nice path right there. Has a nice little hello to the tree. Oh, we're all bent up. God damn, look at that. Damn, I hate when that shit happens. I need to find a pole. If I both straighten this out. There we go. Dude. Freaking squid status, dude. Here happened this little hole. Couldn't reach the freaking ground. Short people problems like always. You guys are probably used to that. And I fell over. Oh man, what a day. What a day. Let's see where Twig got it. I don't know, man. I'm gonna have to go back to the truck, straighten these triple clamps out. Freaking ball sweat, man. Can't stand riding with bent bars, so twisted clamps. Do it for this vid. Oh yeah, I said I was going to say the surprise in this one if you guys commented on the last vid. The surprise is my wife is pregnant. She's pregnant. It's a boy. That's pretty awesome. Little background on that is that we've been trying for years. Finally it happened. Pretty amazing feeling. So yeah, changes amongst us. 2 years we'll have a little ripper out here with me. It'll be like a family vlog. We'll throw a mic on him and check him out while he's ripping. We'll do something. But yeah, thanks for watching. Subscribe, share that video. Let's get this video up to like at least 40 likes again. You guys did awesome on that last one. I asked for it just for that tree crash, dude. You guys gotta do that. And missing my sticker. So yeah, David, I'm gonna need a new sticker too. We scratched yours up. It's still pretty good, but I like a fresh hay. Alright guys, peace. Thanks for watching.